this video, we will show you how to create an offline installer for Visual Studio 2022. First, you can open this link. We put into description. You can just go to description and click to go to this link. Now, you can go to Bootstrapper for Visual Studio 2022 and select Bootstrapper you want with the version. For example, I want the community one, and click this and click save. Now you can open these files in here, these files on the desktop. We can copy this path first, then we put into Notepad for the path of our location of these files. Okay, now go to the below. In here you can select the package you want. For example, in here I want .NET Web and .NET Desktop. In here, just copy the script. Now you can open command prompt on your computer and run as administrator. Okay, then you can paste the command in here. Okay, and replace this vs underscore enterprise.x with this location or your path. Just add backslash in here, then copy this and make sure this is not enterprise because we have community in here. Just change to community. This is refer our file, this guys. Okay, just copy this and paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Now the installer is getting ready in here. This is ready to verifying, and this installing process is look like this. You need to wait until the package is downloaded, and this is the process. It may take a few minutes until hour. It depends on your internet connection, so you need to be patient in here, guys. And this is the file still downloaded. If you reopen on your command on Notepad, you can see here the file will locate on your C and local vs cache folder or directory. You can change this to your directory if you want, but this is the default. The vs community will create this folder in the C on your drive. You can see here this is local vs cache. Okay, if finish, you can run the vs setup to start the installing process, but this is still download, not finished yet. In the next video I will upload this file. If you need this offline installer for vs community, I will post in nosware.com and you can get in the zip or rar files. Okay, this is still downloading and you need to wait until all this is done. Okay, you can see here the directory index is changed itself because sometimes it adding new files by downloading this package. Okay, hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to get any news information about Visual Studio 2022. I will also post if this finish into our blog, and you can download it in the single link.